Welcome guys to another video. And in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own Goldberg WWE 2K24 fix, right? So we're gonna make it from scratch, right? So we will need this Steam settings folder, right? So what I will do, right, is I will copy this, copy, go to desktop, paste it, alright, and then I will just rename it, alright, and this is what you'll need, right? So we will need achievements, we will need this, alright, we will need the DLC, we will need the Steam. That's not, guys. That's not. We will need the Steam app ID, which are not seen here. Okay. That's no. This is wrong. No, right. This. Alright, yes, this is the correct thing here. Alright, we will need the Steam app ID, which is here. This is the Steam app ID we'll need, right? Alright, and we will need the settings inside of here. We need supported languages. Alright. So what I will do, right, is I will go to this and I will delete everything inside of here, right? And we're just gonna put in the stuff that we need, right? So what to do is to open up this, open up Steam settings, right? And then we'll copy supported languages, copy, put this here. Alright, go to here. We're gonna need this, copy this. Alright, let's see, guys. We'll copy this, right? We're gonna copy DLC text. Just now, let me open up our next folder. Alright, open up our next folder, guys, so it will be easier. Alright, go to here and then just now we have here. Alright, open up here, right? Then open up here, make it smaller, and then you open up here, right? So what else we'll need, guys? We'll need DLC text, so copy the DLC text, which is here, copy it. So we're making our own fix for WWE 2K24, right? Copy that, and you will need the Steam ID. You will need this, alright? Copy this also, copy this to here. Alright, we're almost done. I think we're gonna need the stats. That's now, guys, right? Go to Steam settings and you will see what's the see. Yes, stats. We need the stats, copy that, and I think that will be it. And we will make a folder call just now, guys. Underscore images, right? And what we'll do, we'll just rename this. Alright, we rename this, delete this. Alright, guys, just now delete the underscore here and leave it as this, right? All of this, just delete the example from here. Name this, guys. Okay, guys, and rename this too. Alright, guys, right? And hold on, I'll be back. Alright, guys, so to get your achievement images now, right? Go to this site and make sure you're on here, WWE. Go to achievements, and you're gonna let's know. I think you have to download these, but these all the images that you will need for the game, right? So I don't know what you're gonna do, but let me see something I just know, right? Give us stats. Okay, let me see if I could copy this. Oh my gosh, guys, just now. Alright, guys, I figured it out, right? So you click on the image, click save as, right? Then you'll go to Steam settings, you'll go to images, and you'll just save the images in here, right? Same thing for this one. Yeah, save it in here. Same thing for this one, guys. So you'll just continue saving all these images, right? Once I finish saving all these images, save all these images to that, I'll be back, right? Because this is gonna take very long, so hold on and stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm back. I've copied all the images, right, from here. Copy all the images because this is achievement images, right? And now for the DLC, now you'll go to DLCs, right? And this is how you will write the DLCs on them. Hold on. So go to the DLC text now, right? And you'll just copy this like this. Just copy the just copy the ID like this, guys. This, copy the ID and go to Steam settings, DLC text. Right, so this is the example here that we write. So go to here, guys, equal WWE, then to K24, and this is the first one we're gonna copyright. This is season pass, right? And make sure you copy all of them like this. So you go to this one here now, copy the content, copy the content ID. Copy this, copy. Alright. Alright, that will be the deluxe edition, right? So this is how you make your own fix for the game, guys. Very easy. Go back down to this, then you copy the ID, all the DLC here, right? Copy this, go to here, this will be the Nightmare family pack, right? Copy this, copy that, and you'll just put, don't forget WWE 2K24. Right, guys, and we go down again, we go to this, alright, guys, so you just put in like, alright, this one will be the 40 years of pack. Let's copy 4. Right, Then you copy this next one. Copy. Alright, copy that. And then you copy the last one here. This. Yeah. And then you copy supercharge. Alright guys, and then you save it. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is copy the app ID. Alright. So we get the images. We get the DLC. Starts next supported languages, right? I added these supported languages already, English, whatever. So yeah, that's it there. And I believe this is it for the fix, guys. And then you will copy this to the game, and also you will copy this. Alright, so we're gonna try that now. Alright guys, we are back. So we're gonna copy. Yeah. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy this to the game. Alright, also go to back to here. Go to the Goldberg emu. Then copy this, and then that's it, really fixed. And one last thing I'll do, open the settings, copy this, copy, put this here, and I believe that should be fully fixed, guys. So that is how you will make your own Goldberg emu fix for the game, right? So we're gonna start up the game now. Alright guys, we copy this. Alright. Start the game. Alright, and that's all. Alright, that's how you create your own fix. It's working now.